All right, hi guys. My name is Bria Martinez, and today I'm going to talk about Nike strategic planning. Also, excuse my voice. Have a little cold right now. So let's talk about some problems within Nike. Nike has been exposed for their use of poor labor conditions within foreign countries. The company has also had high reliability on the US market to help keep their sales up. There has also been multiple claims of sexual harassment and disrespect from female employees within Nike. Overall, the biggest problem that relates to all discussed above is inclusiveness from all people from all across the world, and also recognition. While this is where Nike falls short, there are some opportunities for the brand to fix these problems. So, opportunities for growth in Nike. New emerging markets in foreign countries would help, but in order to do that, Nike needs to create an inclusive image for all people that differ in things like age, sex, race, religion, ability, size, everything. Nike must promote this inclusive image in a variety of ways through different channels. So things like TV, radio, apps, social media. To reach such a broad spectrum of people from across the world, Nike needs to do this in a variety of ways. Promoting in a variety of ways will help the company reach a wider target audience than they currently have. So let's talk about some goals and objectives. The goal overall is to raise awareness and promote inclusiveness of people that differ in age, sex, race, size, religion, ability, and athleticism through marketing. The output objective is to increase impressions by 20% through multiple ad placements. And within these ads, to be quite specific, I put in a little quote, is supporting people that differ in both sports and day-to-day life wearing Nike, that differ in all the things discussed above too, throughout the world by the end of the fiscal year, May 2022. The awareness objective is to increase awareness of inclusivity of all athletes and individuals within Nike by 30% in 2022. The acceptance objective is to increase a positive attitude towards Nike's inclusivity efforts by 20% in 2022 by minority groups that vary in all the things that I discussed above, ages 15 to 40. And the action objective is between the year 2022 and 2023, increase 30% of minority groups varying in race, sex, size, religion, age, and ability who purchase Nike products. So let's talk about some of the key publics of Nike. So key public number one is Nike's current customers. So if any of y'all, which probably all of us, have either a pair of Nike shoes, a Nike backpack, Nike shirt, shorts, whatever it may be. Key public number two is those who are the minority in various groups that desire to be accepted and desire to be athletic and are involved in sports. So these are people that want to wear Nike products but are in those minorities of either being disabled, maybe overweight, older, whatever it may be. Key public number three is those who are looking for good quality activewear and equipment. So below I put a picture to the left, current Nike customers, and then the right kind of just demonstrates how different everyone is, and we're all unique in our way. No one's the same. So my campaign theme is differences create greatness. So some objective strategies. In order to achieve all the objectives, that I discussed before, there needs to be certain strategies implemented that will overall help achieve all of those. The following strategies would benefit Nike in a tremendous amount of ways. So commercial. The commercial starring many different famous athletes, so in a way a celebrity alliance, but not really, but there is going to be celebrity and famous people to get that traction going, and also social media influencer marketing. So the commercial. This strategy will use mass media to broadcast the idea that differences create greatness. The commercial will include numerous clips of professional athletes across the world that vary in age, sex, race, size, ability, everything I discussed kind of earlier. The commercial will also include footage of former and current disabled athletes from across the world wearing or using Nike products. The last group of people within the commercial will be the common everyday athletes, which is stated on Nike's website that if you have a body, that you're an athlete. So this kind of goes hand in hand with Nike's mission, vision statement, and what they stand behind also, which will include school-aged children on the playground or in sports teams, moms making time to go for a walk, elder individuals who are playing tennis or walking, and also overweight individuals who love and support Nike. So the goal of the commercial. The main goal of the commercial is to make everyone from different areas and walks of life feel seen and accepted and also welcomed by Nike. The commercial will help in achieving both the output, awareness, and I may even say overall the acceptance objective, because it increases the number of impressions, but also should make the current or future customers feel something deeper and have a bigger desire to purchase Nike products. So kind of below I put a picture of an athlete, a woman athlete from Germany, so she's not from the US, someone else different supporting Nike. I also put what society would deem as an overweight woman, who's also exercising, and she could be wearing Nike products. I also put someone like LeBron James, who we all know and love, someone who's different as well and professional and amazing, who could be in the commercial, and also disabled athletes who are often left out but could also be supporting Nike, which this overall promotes inclusivity. The next strategy that I have is social media influencer marketing. With this strategy, Nike would partner with multiple influencers through either TikTok, Instagram, or both, and these influencers could vary from man to woman, religion, everywhere across the world. These influencers would make either videos or posts that demonstrate what makes them unique, imperfections, or just unique qualities, using the hashtag differences create greatness. The influencers would then ask their followers to also create a video or a photo on how their differences make them great. This would increase traction and awareness. So below I put someone like Addison Rae, who has an enormous following. And then some other influencers I put is just a girl on YouTube who could promote this. Also a fitness influencer, because it is Nike. Or someone like Charli D'Amelio, again, who has an enormous traction, 100 million followers on TikTok, most of them being younger kids, but still it's a huge traction. And also disabled influencers that often don't get enough brand deals or recognition that they should, and this would really help show that Nike stands behind differences create greatness. So yeah, overall, I hope you guys like my planning and my ideas, and thank you so much for listening. Okay, bye.